What is the radius of the circle circumscribing an isosceles right triangle having an area of 162 square centimeters? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer before watching my solution. Okay, so let's start. So what is the radius of the circle circumscribing an isosceles right triangle having an area of 162 square centimeters? So therefore, that means the isosceles right triangle is inside the circle. Because the right triangle is an isosceles, the only possible way to draw the figure is like this. Okay? So the hypotenuse of the right triangle must be the diameter. Okay? Since it is an isosceles right triangle. We cannot draw any isosceles right triangle in this given the condition. Okay? So let's label the parts of this circle and then the isosceles right triangle. So the hypotenuse, that is the diameter of the right triangle. And we want to find the radius. What is the radius of the circle circumscribing an isosceles right triangle? So therefore, the value of this hypotenuse is D is the diameter, so that is equal to 2 times R. Okay? And then, since the triangle is an isosceles right triangle, so that means the legs are congruent. So we let the sides of this right triangle be both x because this is an isosceles right triangle. Okay, so given the area of the isosceles right triangle is 162 square centimeters. Okay? So we use the formula for area of triangle. The formula for area is 1/2 times base times height. Okay? Let us first solve the value of x. And then if we have value of x, we can solve the value of the diameter or the 2r since we want to find the radius. Okay, so just substitute the given to this formula. The value of area is 162 square centimeters. So that is equal to 1/2 times the base. So what is the base? So the base is x and the height is also x. Okay? So we can now solve for x. So multiply both sides by 2 to get rid of the denominator. Okay, so cancel the 2. 2 times 162, that is equal to 324 equals x times x. So we have x squared. Then to solve the value of x, extract the square root of both sides. So therefore, the value of x is equal to square root of 324, that is equal to 18. So the legs of this isosceles right triangle is equal to 18 centimeters. Now, we will use the Pythagorean theorem. According to Pythagorean theorem, the square of the hypotenuse, so this is the hypotenuse, the square of the hypotenuse, the diameter, is equal to the sum of the squares of the legs. So the legs, we have both x. Okay, so therefore we have x squared plus x squared. So let's simplify. This squared is equal to x squared plus x squared. That is equal to 2x squared. Then we want to find the value of the diameter. So we extract the square root of both sides. Okay, so therefore we can cancel this. So therefore the value of D is, so we have square root of 2 and then we distribute the square root. So square root of 2 times square root of x squared. So we can cancel the square root and then the square for this x squared. So therefore we have the diameter is x times square root of 2. So we just substitute the value of x is 18. So we have 18 square root of 2. So that is our diameter. And then after solving the diameter, we just divide by 2 because the diameter is equal to 2r. So the value of the radius will be diameter divided by 2. Okay, so let's just use our calculator to get the value of our diameter. 18 times square root of 2. So we have 18 times square root of 2. So we have 2 and then square root, press the equal sign. So we have 20.45. That is the diameter. So we want to find the value of the radius. So just divide this diameter by 2. So divide by 2. That is now the value of radius, 12.727. Round off to 2 decimal places. So that will be 12.73 and that is letter A. Okay. So the value of the radius is 12.73 centimeters. That is letter A. So that's all. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video and see you on my next video about engineering mathematics. Bye!